complete, simple sentence has a subject and a predicate. All the words in a subject form the complete subject, and all the words in a predicate form the complete predicate. For example, you and I are learning about sentences. Here, you and I form the complete subject, and are learning about sentences form the complete predicate. The subject in a sentence names whom or what the sentence is about. The complete subject has noun or pronoun or noun phrase. For example, Nikki plays football. Here, Nikki, noun, is subject. We are going out for dinner. Here, we, pronoun, is subject. My mother's name is Anupama. Here, my mother's name, noun phrase, is subject. The subject does something or is or has something. For example, Nikki reads detective stories. Poisonous snakes have fangs. A sentence may also have an object. The object of a sentence comes after the verb in the predicate. For example, Meghna washed her car. In a sentence, the subject is a person or a thing that does the action. In the same sentence, the object is a person or a thing that receives the action of the subject. For example, Radha feeds the baby. The object answers the question, what or whom. For example, the boys played well and won the trophy. Here, trophy gives the answer to the question what, and thus is the object of the sentence. The predicate is that part of a sentence that tells what is said of the subject. The complete predicate includes a verb or verb phrase plus all the words after the verb. For example, Ram, the tailor, is stitching my dress for the fancy dress competition. Here is stitching is the verb phrase, and all the words that follow the verb phrase along with it form the complete predicate. A complete subject has a simple subject, and a complete predicate has a simple predicate. The simple subject is the main noun or pronoun in the complete subject. For example, the ticket checker checked the tickets. Here, the noun ticket checker is simple subject. The complete predicate begins with a verb and tells what the subject does, has, or is. The simple predicate is the verb in the complete predicate. For example, we will be traveling together. Here the verb will be traveling is simple predicate. A simple subject and a simple predicate can be more than one word. For example, Rajdhani Express was running. Here, Rajdhani Express is the main noun and forms simple subject, and was running is the verb forming the simple predicate.
Thank you.